Hello, today I will be reviewing jewelry from wish.com. If you have ever been curious on the quality of jewelry from wish.com, you need to stay tuned. Before I get started with the review, I'd like to ask a big favor. I make these videos all by myself. It's me, myself, and I. So if you enjoy this review video on wish.com jewelry, please hit the like button and subscribe. That way it'll be a clear indication that I should be making more videos like this. Besides, I don't know if wish.com will like me making these videos, and I'll tell you that it's really interesting going on their site because it seems like everything that they sell has 4.5 stars. Call me suspicious, but I think that they may not be showing all the reviews. So that's why you have someone like me who has worked in jewelry and who can examine each individual piece and tell you whether it's worth buying. The first ring I'll be reviewing today is the ruby ring. This ring is actually my favorite ring, and I think it is the closest ring that passes for the real thing. What makes it fairly believable to me is the color of the ruby that they chose. It's a very realistic hue of red that you would see on a genuine ruby ring. Now, I'm showing you the picture of what is described. You can see what it looks like on the website. What I really like about this is that the setting of the stones are of a very high quality. And you can see by these pictures how well this ring is made. And I paid less than $5 for it, less than $4, somewhere under that. Somewhere between $2 to $4 I bought this ring for. So this is my favorite ring from the collection. Ring number 2 is this white gold style anniversary ring. Now, this one is pretty good. It has nice detail. I think for what I paid, it is really nice. Now, the stones are again set individually and very well for the price. Like I said, I have paid less than $5 for every ring I'm showing you today. So this ring is under $5, somewhere between $2 and $5. And I'll show you the this is what the picture looks like when you are on the website ready to buy. And this is what you actually get. The third ring I'm going to show you is a pearl ring. This one's really nice. It's set in a rose gold color. Now, I thought this was very beautiful when I received it, and I really do honestly like it. But if you can see from what they're selling in the picture, it doesn't exactly match. The sale picture, the details are very intricate, and with this ring it's not like that. I'm still happy with it, but it could have been better. It's not matching exactly what the picture is, and you can see from the pictures that I took, it does not match what you see on the internet. But still, I paid less than $5, somewhere between $2 and $3 for this ring, so I have no complaints. It's beautiful, and I will wear it. My second favorite of the 5, and it's set in a rose gold metal, and it looks like mystic topaz, like a color of mystic topaz. And the ring that I received is very close to what I saw on the wish.com website. So this is the photograph that's on the wish.com website, and now I will be showing you the pictures that I took with my camera. So they're very close, and it's a very nice looking ring. I love it, and I wear it. I wear it all the time. The ruby and this mystic topaz ring are the two rings I wear the most. Finally, we're going to get to the ring that I like the least, which is the aquamarine looking ring. And that one is not at all what is pictured. And I'm going to show you the picture right now. And then you're going to see what I actually got. And these are the pictures that I took with my own camera. They are vastly different than what you actually receive. But again, I bought this for somewhere around the $2 neighborhood, and I cannot complain. At this point, I think even though Wish.com gives me a 30-day return policy, I think it would be not worth my while to return it all the way back to China. But for $2, this is still a good ring. And one thing that I didn't pick up on the photographs I showed you is that there's this little area here that is completely filled up, and that area should be empty. Okay, so my final review, these are the order of what I like the best. These two rings I like the most. I love the ruby the best, but these are great rings. You should consider buying these. This ring here, I do like it a lot. I will wear it. I don't think the details are as nice as they are pictured, but still it's a decent ring, and I like that. And this ring I kind of put as number 4 because I have less use for this type of style of ring. And still the detail's really nice. And the one that I like the least is this aquamarine looking ring. It really, the details could have been better on this, and maybe later they'll fix that. But again, it was good enough for the price I paid. So there you have it, folks. Now you know what jewelry looks like when you buy it from Wish.com. As a person who has sold jewelry for most of my working life, I do highly recommend jewelry from Wish.com. You cannot beat the quality for the price you are paying. At the very least, this is a very fun site to buy jewelry. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this review, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.